Okay, first graders, we are going to do some counting by tens today. And if you know how to count by ones really well, then tens shouldn't be too hard because it follows the same pattern. So the nice thing about our base 10 number system that we have is, as I mentioned before, every time we create a group of 10 of something, we create something new. So if we have 10 ones, we make a group of 10. If we have 10 tens, we make a group of 100. 10 hundreds makes a group of 1,000, and so on and so forth. So when we are counting by tens, the only thing that's going to change is the tens place. And so let's look really quick at our hundreds chart. Okay, so you should all have a hundreds chart there at home with you. Um, and counting by tens is always going to just go straight down. So if we're counting by tens just starting at 10, then we're going to come straight down from that. And you'll notice that as I come straight down, the ones place stays as 0. We're not getting any new ones. We're only getting new tens. So I have 1 10, next I have 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, 9 tens, and then I made 10 tens, which we give a new name, 100. Okay, I could even go to 11 tens and my ones would still be at 0, or 12 tens and my ones would still be at 0. So another name for 11 tens is 110. 12 tens is one group of 120. Okay, so we have some other names for them as we get more tens, but the pattern stays the same. 0 doesn't go away because we're not changing our ones. We're counting our tens. And so the tens are just going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And when we were counting by ones, we went sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Counting by tens, we're going straight down. And we can start anywhere counting by tens and just go straight down. So let's start here at 4. Okay, if I'm counting by tens starting at 4, 4 right now has 0 tens. We don't see the 0, but we could imagine that it's there. There are 0 tens and 4 ones. If I'm counting by tens, I'm adding 10 each time. 1 10, the 4 ones stays the same. 2 tens, 4 1 stays the same. 3 tens, 4 1 stays the same. 4 tens, 4 1 stays the same. 5 tens, still 4 ones. 6 tens, still 4 ones. 7 tens, still 4 ones. 8 tens, still 4 ones. 9 tens, still 4 ones. What would be next? 10 tens, still 4 ones. Or 11 tens and still 4 ones. Okay, so when you're counting by tens, the ones stay the same. Count by tens, the ones stay the same. And looking at the tens place, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 tens. Okay, so 4, 14, 24, 34, 44, 54, 64, 74, 84, 94, 104, 114. Counting by tens, we move straight down. Let's count by tens together starting at 7. Ready? Begin. 7, 17, 27, 37, 47, 57, 67, 77, 87, 97. What would be next? 10 tens and 7 ones, or 107. And next, 11 tens, 7 ones, or 117. Okay, now if you're counting by tens backwards, getting smaller, you just move up instead of down. Just like if we were counting backwards from 10, we would move to the left instead of the right. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's count backwards from 92, counting by tens. 92, 82, 72, 62, 52, 42, 32, 22, 12, 2. And that 2 is like, there are how many tens? 0. Okay? So that is how your number chart, your 100 chart, can help you with counting by tens on today's assignment. So have fun with that. Look for the patterns. I've told you guys before, math is full of patterns, and the quicker you can find those patterns and recognize those patterns and look for new patterns, the easier your math will be. Ready? Good luck.